Hello and welcome to Open School, your portal to knowledge. We're here to expand your intellectual horizons, and today's topic of discussion is concrete nouns. In this enlightening session, we're going to demystify this linguistic concept, breaking it down into digestible pieces. Expect a comprehensive overview, complete with definitions, examples, and a recap for better retention. So buckle up and prepare your minds for an intriguing exploration. Prepare to dive into the world of concrete nouns. To comprehend what concrete nouns are, you first need to grasp the concept of a noun. A noun, simply put, is a naming word. It's the title we use to identify the myriad of people, places, things, and ideas that populate our world. Picture this: every person you've ever met, every location you've ever visited, every object you've ever touched, and every idea you've ever pondered all have names. And those names, they're nouns. They give identity to everything around us, making our interactions and conversations meaningful and specific. So whether you're talking about your best friend, the city of New York, your favorite book, or the concept of love, you're using nouns. They're the backbone of our language, the foundation of our communication. Now that you understand what a noun is, we can move on to our main topic: concrete nouns. Concrete nouns, unlike their abstract counterparts, refer to things that you can perceive with your five senses. They are the nouns that represent objects, people, animals, places, or things that you can physically interact with. They are tangible entities that exist in the world around us. For instance, consider book, apple, cat, Paris, and music. Each of these words represents a concrete noun because they refer to things that you can see, touch, taste, smell, or hear. You can see and touch a book, taste an apple, hear a cat's meow, visit Paris, and listen to music. These are all concrete nouns because they have a physical presence. On the other hand, abstract nouns represent ideas, feelings, qualities, or concepts that can't be seen, touched, tasted, smelled, or heard. They are intangible. For example, love, freedom, justice, and happiness are all abstract nouns. You can't physically interact with these concepts. They exist, but you can't perceive them with your five senses like you can with concrete nouns. So, how do you differentiate between concrete and abstract nouns? It's simple. Ask yourself if you can perceive the noun with any of your five senses. If you can, it's a concrete noun. If you can't, it's an abstract noun. So remember, if you can see, touch, taste, smell, or hear it, it's a concrete noun. To help you grasp the concept better, we have some examples of concrete nouns. Let's start with something simple. A dog. A dog is a concrete noun because it's something you can see, touch, smell, or even hear. You can physically interact with a dog, and that's the essence of a concrete noun. Now let's move on to Paris. Paris is a concrete noun because it's a place that you can visit, see, and touch. The Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, the cobblestone streets, they're all physical elements that make Paris a concrete noun. Next up, we have apple. An apple is a concrete noun because it's a tangible object. You can touch an apple, taste it, and smell it. You can also hear the crunch when you bite into it. All these sensory experiences make apple a concrete noun. Let's look at rain. Rain might seem like it's not a concrete noun because you can't hold it in your hand like an apple, but rain is a concrete noun because you can feel it on your skin, see it falling from the sky, and hear it pattering on your window. Now consider the word music. Music is a concrete noun because you can hear it. You might argue that music isn't tangible, but remember, concrete nouns are things we can perceive with our senses, and hearing is one of them. Finally, let's take book. A book is a concrete noun because it's an object that you can touch, see, and smell. You can feel the texture of the pages, see the words printed on them, and smell that unique bookish scent. These examples should have helped you understand how to identify concrete nouns. Each one of these words, dog, Paris, apple, rain, music, book, is a concrete noun because you can perceive it with at least one of your senses. Look around you and you'll find concrete nouns everywhere. They make up a significant part of our daily language and help us to express and understand the tangible world around us. Now it's time to review what we've learned about concrete nouns. In our journey through the fascinating world of language, we've explored the concept of nouns and then honed in on a particular category: the concrete nouns. These are the nouns that you can directly perceive with your five senses. You can touch, see, hear, smell, or taste them. Take a moment and think about the examples we discussed. The apple you can taste, the thunder you can hear, the perfume you can smell, the sandpaper you can touch, and the sunset you can see. All of these are concrete nouns because they appeal to our senses. Keep in mind, concrete nouns are not abstractions or ideas, they are tangible physical entities. They form the backbone of our sentences, adding substance and imagery to our language. That's a wrap on concrete nouns, folks. Remember, they are the nouns you can perceive with your five senses. We've reached the end of our journey into the world of concrete nouns. It's been a fascinating trip, hasn't it? Exploring this crucial part of our language, understanding its nuances and seeing its practical applications. But as with any new knowledge, the key is practice. Try to identify concrete nouns around you, in your conversations, in the books you read, in the world you observe. It's like a treasure hunt, but the jewels you'll find are not diamonds or gold, but deeper understanding and improved communication skills. Now we've got a little favor to ask. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Have any questions or insights? Drop them in the comments section. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might benefit from it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for joining Open School today. Keep learning, keep exploring, and we'll see you in our next video.